this tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet a single crochet border around your blanket to hide loose ends and color changes. It also straightens your edges and gives a neat look to your blanket. I'm working on my dinosaur baby blanket made with the texture rolling wave stitch. I'll put in the description the link to the pattern if you wanna make it. And the reason I'm using this blanket as an example is because it has color changes on the sides that we'll have to hide, and also it has different lengths, different height stitches. So we'll have trebles here, we have single crochet here, and I'll show you how many stitches you need to make your single crochet border. I'm using the same weight yarn as I did in a blanket, which is double knit yarn or light worsted yarn, and one size smaller crochet hook. So it's a 4mm crochet hook. For the blanket I use a 4.5mm, and the reason I'm using a smaller hook is because it will be easier to insert it in the stitches. Start at the top row of the blanket and join your yarn with a slip knot in any stitch. I will start in the middle and join your yarn, and then single crochet in each of the stitches. Now we reach the last stitch in the row, and we will form the corner in that very last stitch by making 3 single crochet. Don't forget to crochet over your loose ends as well. 2 and 3. And this is how it looks like so far. Now we're going to continue on the left side of the blanket. We have a mix of trebles and single crochet stitches on this side, and what I'll do is make 3 single crochet for each treble and 1 single crochet for each single crochet stitch. If you make too many single crochet stitches, your border will curl, so less is more in this case. There are 2 ways you can crochet your single crochet border, and that is either by single crochet in each of the stitches, so you insert your hook inside the stitches, or by crocheting around the stitches like so. On this particular blanket, if I single crochet around the stitches, it will leave gaps. So I prefer to insert my hook inside the stitches and make the 3 single crochet like that. So on our first treble, we will make 3 single crochet. Don't forget to crochet over your loose ends as well. So insert your hook in the first part of the stitch and single crochet, then go to the middle of it, insert your hook and single crochet. And this is why you need a smaller hook, because it'll be so much easier to insert your hook inside the stitch. And now we reach the second treble. Let's make 3 single crochet stitches in that one as well. So make 1, then go to the middle part, insert your hook, yarn over the loose ends as well, and single crochet, and now a last single crochet at the bottom. And this is how it looks like so far. And now we have 2 rows of single crochet. Starting with a single crochet here, we will make 2 single crochet. Insert your hook and then another single crochet. And this is how it looks so far. and you see the edges are straight, they don't curl, there are not too many single crochet stitches, and the corner is nice and neat. So let's continue to make 3 single crochet in each of the trebles and 1 single crochet in each of the single crochet stitches. I'll show you one more time. So you have your treble right here, insert your hook and single crochet, then go to the middle part, single crochet in there, and bottom, and then at the top of the next, just make sure it's the top, and single crochet in there, then go to the middle and the bottom. And then you have 2 single crochet, so single crochet in each. And this is how it looks like. And just continue to make 3 single crochet per each treble and 1 single crochet per each single crochet stitch until you reach the bottom. I have reached the last stitch on this right side of the blanket, and I'm going to make 1 single crochet inside it. And now we reach the bottom of the blanket, and we are going to form the corner in that very first stitch at the bottom of the blanket, which is this one right here. So we make 3 single crochet, and that will transition us on the bottom of the blanket. Now turn your blanket around and single crochet in every single stitch until you reach the last one. And now we have the last stitch in the row, and we are going to make the 3 single crochet to form the corner. That's 1, 2, and 3. And now we reach the other side of the blanket. As you can see, I have some loose ends, I have the color transition yarn, and I'll show you how I crochet over it. So turn your blanket around, and we are going to make a single crochet in this single crochet stitch, and make sure you crochet over the loose ends as well. And then we're going to make 3 single crochet in the treble, and what we're going to do is hold all the loose ends and crochet over them, and move to the next part, the middle part of the treble, and then pinch all these yarns, loose ends together, and crochet over it. And the last one, so now we've made 3 single crochet. We're going to move to the next treble and make 3 single crochet. Again, hold your loose ends. All these tips you can cut later on. Make 1 single crochet, then again go to the middle of the treble and insert your hook inside it, and hold all the yarns together and crochet over them like so. And now a last single crochet in this treble, and then we move to the single crochet rows that we have here. and make single crochet inside it. So that's one, and then that is the second one. So let me show you again how I do it in a trebles, where I put my stitches. So we still have this loose end. I'll put it to the side so you can see better, but you should crochet over it. And then you have the transition yarn. So insert your hook at the top of the treble and make a single crochet. And then go to the middle right here and make a single crochet, and then go to the bottom of the stitch and crochet, single crochet, and then you single crochet over this loose color transition yarn. Go in the middle and around this yarn and single crochet, and at the bottom. So just remember to make 3 single crochet only. Don't make too many, otherwise your ends will curl. And then when you reach the single crochet stitches rows, just crochet 1 single crochet inside and continue like so until the end of this side. I've now reached the top row of the blanket, and we are going to make the corner in the very first stitch in that row by making 3 single crochet, and I have a loose end here, so I'll be crocheting over it as well. So make your 3 single crochet, form your corner, and now we are back at the top. I just wanted to show you how the border turned up. This is how it looks like. You can see it's much neater and straighter. There are no gaps at all, and just remember, don't make too many single crochet stitches, because you can fix a tighter border by blocking it in size, but you cannot fix a curved border, not that I know of. So it's better to have less stitches, and then you can straighten it as you wish. Turn your blanket around and continue to single crochet in each of the stitches until you reach the first single crochet you made. And now we have reached the slip knot that we made. Simply slip stitch in it and cut your yarn and fasten off. And then you'll weave in the last end. And this is how it looks like. It's pretty straight, pretty neat look to your blanket. I also blocked my blanket before I made the edges. You can do so before or after, or at all, depending what you're doing with it. And this is how you make a single crochet border to hide color transition yarn and give a neat look to your blanket. Subscribe and hit the notification bell below this video to be notified when my next tutorial is posted. Happy crocheting!